Tapos meron pa naglo-lawyer sa kanila na, kailangan silang ilagay sa state witness program para makasiwalat nila yung korupsyon. Pero hindi na nila kailangan pang ibigay. Hindi na nila kailangan ibigay yung mga alleged na nanakaw sa kaban ng bayan, whether that be from substandard projects, ghost projects, among other things.
Mr. Chair, sinabi ko na sa iyo, the interest of this committee is the impartiality, the objectivity. Saan huwag kayo magbibigay ng opinion? Why did you choose, for example, Bryce? Over to this guy.
My opinion. You cannot question my opinion. Outside of this hall, you cannot question my opinion. You also question.
I am questioning your opinion because you are the chairman of this committee, Mr. Chair.
What's your opinion?
Mr. President, we are still in the process of investigation. If we are in the process of investigation,
Why are you
then
so
we should not
protective of these
judge.
guys? Why are you so protective?
I am not protecting them. Mabuti sinabi mo yan, Mr. Chair. Pwede ba nating i-record ito?
Which brings us to the crux of our point here. Kapag walang incentive ang mga tao na makipagtulungan sa ICI o kanino mang ahensya na nag-iimbestiga, hindi makikipagtulungan ang mga yan. According sa mga Diskaya, they invoke their right against self-incrimination at hindi na makikipag-cooperate pa with the ICI. That meant they can't tell their stories. They can ask for a lenient sentencing kapag nagkahulihan na at nagkakulungan na. But most importantly, they seal their fates as the people who have something to hide.
Invoked their right to self-incrimination and manifested that they will no longer cooperate with the investigation being conducted by the ICI. They were thinking that when they cooperate before the ICI, they will be getting a favorable recommendation from the Commission as state witness.
So bakit ba sinabi ni dating DPWH Secretary and ICI member na si Rogelio Singson kung bakit hindi siya pabor sa witness protection na gustong ilagay sa mga Diskaya? Well, first, hindi sila yung least guilty among all their peers. Kasama sila, partner sila ng mga yon. Pangalawa, ayaw nilang isole, or at the very least, hindi nila ino-offer isole yung mga perang nakuha nila, yung mga nakamkam nila. At pangatlo, parang merong selective na amnesia yung mga Diskaya na, from 2022 forwards, alam na alam nila lahat. Pero 2016 onwards, kung kailan sinabi nila na, dun sila nag-umpisa sa flood control projects, wala